Welcome to my channel. My name is Liz and this is Simply Homeschool. So if you are returning, hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing well. Thank you for clicking on this thumbnail and showing me some support. And if you're new here, welcome. I am a homeschooling mom that loves to do homeschooling videos, anything having to do with homeschooling. It's a passion of mine now and I've absolutely fallen in love with it. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some items I got from Rainbow Resources. So if you've watched our 2020-2021 third grade curriculum picks video, sorry, I really had to think about that, then you will know that we're going to be working through Apologia for science, and we are going to be doing the space study. So this is what we got to go along with that. This first one here is a nano block set. It's of the space shuttle. It's of the Space Center. And I thought that this would be really fun when she's learning about the space shuttle, that we could build this together as like a little, I don't know, side project. It comes with 540 pieces. So yes, you guys, this will be taking a little while. So I thought that that would be fun. Now, if you have seen my videos, you know that my daughter was involved in a co-op and they actually used this book, but because of how they set it up, they went through this book super fast, so she didn't get everything out of it that I would like for her to get out of it, because I just absolutely love their curriculum. So we decided to take it again and go over it again at a slower pace and just kind of work through it and add things to it and take things out of it. Probably not take things out of it because she's already done some of the activities is what I mean. So she won't be redoing those same activities. And on top of that, she was still doing Becca's curriculum for science. So it was a lot. Okay, so we're going to be working through that again. That is so cute. I love that.
It says thank you.
That's cute, Tal.
Thanks.
I like it.
Thanks. So can we put it she says we can put it on the window. I was thinking maybe we could put it in the backyard. Mm-hmm. Like right there, or in the front house. I don't want to put it in the front house, but I don't want it to blow away. It took me a couple of times to
We could put it in the window.
That's what I meant.
Inside the house, or it'll get ruined.
Yeah, or we can put it in the car and just in front.
Oh, that would be cute.
But I did red and then blue.
That's really cute, Tal. I love it. Yeah, that's really cute. Good job, babe. Okay, so next, what I picked up was this mechanics laboratory. I thought that this would be really fun when she's learning about the rovers, you know, that were sent to Mars and stuff. This would be really fun. It's a STEM activity. It comes with 2 different models, so we can make this and we can make this. It comes with all of these pieces in the back. It says it comes with more than 130 interchangeable components, and it's for 8+. So I thought that this would be really fun. I picked up the Space Weather Station. Isn't that really cool, you guys? So, what it says is the all-in-one weather learning kit complete with a water cycle simulation. Great for decorating your home. So it actually grows stuff in the bottom there. Look at that. I think this is really cool. I'm excited about this. I think that they have an app that I can download or something like that. I thought I read. Am I right? Maybe not. But this is for 8+ as well. So those are our 3 things so far that I have gotten to add to our space. And next year, this year, I really want to focus on Black History Month with my daughter and go over everything and teach her about all the amazing people that had a part in the movement to change our society. It takes really brave, strong people to stand up and fight what they believe in, you know, and so I think that it's super important to teach her about this. So what I found was this National Geographic Kids, it's African American History Makers collection. So it comes with 4 different books in one. It talks about George Washington Carver, Rosa Parks, Frederick Douglass, and Martin Luther King Jr. And this is for levels 1, 2, and 3. So You can get this even for first graders. I just thought third grade's a really great age for them to really understand the concepts that go behind everything that they did and how they were treated. So yes, so I picked this up. Okay, the last couple things I have here are for math. My daughter is working on fractions. I feel like it's a little bit of a tough subject, or I don't know, it's tough. It was tough for me too. So I picked up this original fraction Dominoes game. I thought that this would be really fun. Me and her dad can play this with her, or her dad and I can play this with her. But I think it has 1 to 4 players, grades 3 through 7th, and then ages 8+. So I thought that that would be something fun for hands-on for math, if you can make math fun. I'm not a math person. So the next thing I got, and the last thing I'm going to show you guys today, is this deluxe fraction strip kit or collection. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. But it comes on this little tray. All of these are little tiles. So here's the whole, and then you have 2 halves that come out. And so, you know, it goes on to, what's the last one there? 12th? Yeah, so the 1/12 pieces. And then it comes with this little instruction booklet that just talks about activities you can play with it, common fractions, read fractions. It just kind of gives you different things that you can do with these tiles. So I thought that that would be helpful. I really hope it does help, and that it helps her, you know, grasp the concept of fractions. So that is it, you guys, for this haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I will try to link them down below of what the items are, and I'm not sure if I can link them from their actual website. I may have to do it through Amazon. I have no idea how that works. So I'm going to be working on that so that I can start linking stuff down below for you guys, so it'll be easier for you just to click on and get to that item if it's something that you're interested in. So that is something that I am in the works of trying to figure out how to do. So hopefully I will have those things linked down below for you. If they are not, it's because I can't figure it out. And I'll have to study that for a while. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope that you guys found some of these items interesting, or something that you can use for your own children. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, the like, and if you guys want to comment down below, I love when you guys comment, so comment down below. And you guys just be safe and be blessed always.